A very good morning to all of you children. Children, today April 7 is World Health Day. We all know that this date marks the anniversary of founding of WHO in 1948. Each year for this date, a theme is chosen that highlights an area of priority concern for WHO. In the face of the current pandemic of COVID-19, a polluted planet and an increasing incidence of diseases, the theme chosen for World Health Day 2022 is Our Planet, Our Health. This means that we need to put our health as well as the health of our planet in the center of our actions. So children, you not only have to take care of your health by eating a well-balanced diet, exercising regularly and maintaining hygiene, but also should be careful that we do not harm our planet through unhygienic practices. Presently, our planet is facing various environmental health threats in the form of air pollution, contaminated water and inadequate sanitation. Resolution of these issues demands not just a government response but also a response of the society as a whole focusing on well-being. So let us all ensure that our actions do not pollute our Mother Earth and in turn we will be able to preserve our own health. Remember, one cannot live healthy life on a sick planet. Hence, let us all pledge today to safeguard our planet for a greener and healthier tomorrow. Thank you.